Let's discuss the payment plan options available with Zilch Standard. There's Start Month, which is the month you're going to start your payment plan. There's Payoff Strategy. We'll come back to this in a little bit, but there's 7 different payoff strategies. Pledge money is the extra amount of money that you can afford to add to your monthly payment plan. So for this example, there's $299 that make up the 4 monthly payments for your debts. Pledge money of $100, that means there's $399 dedicated towards this repayment plan each and every month. The repayment plan option here is immediate or deferred. Immediate means you're going to use the pledge money immediately starting in June of 2020. Deferred would mean I want 1 extra month to come up with the $100, so the pledge money wouldn't start until July of 2020. Before we look at each of the 7 payoff strategies in depth, let's discuss why there is a need for a payoff strategy. I want to show you a little bit of credit card math that does a great job at explaining the payoff strategy and why. Zilch uses what's called a payment snowball. And payment snowball can be best explained by a pie chart. And each one of these slices would represent a debt. The example we have for example 2 in Zilch Standard has 4, but credit card math uses 5. To get started, you assign a payoff priority to each debt. Now, what does that mean? Well, in life, you can only focus on one thing at a time. Well, your repayment plan can only focus on one debt at a time. The pledge money would get added to the first priority, which is debt number 1. By focusing on one priority at a time, it maximizes the use of your money. When the first priority is paid off, look what happens. The money that was going to number 1, which is the payment plus the pledge money, now shifts to number 2. And let's just watch the rest of this slide. What do you think happens when 2 gets paid off? Exactly. So this is why each debt is being assigned a priority. When 3 gets paid off, all the money shifts to 4. And when number 4 gets paid off, everything is going to the last debt, which would be priority number 5. At this point, your payment snowball is incredibly powerful. So the payoff strategies are a way to prioritize your debts. With annual percentage rate as your strategy, priority 1 is Sears, 2 is MasterCard, Discover is number 3, and Visa is 4. By using quick elimination determines which debt can go away the quickest. So in this case, Visa would go away the quickest, followed by MasterCard, Discover, and Sears. So Visa would get the $100 first. When Visa is gone, the 100 plus the 70 would be added to MasterCard, and so on and so forth. Custom arrangement lets you determine which debt is going to be first. Let's say you wanted Discover to be first no matter what. Simply choose custom arrangement and then move Discover to the top of the list. And now this is the order, the priority in which your debts would be paid off. Lowest balance, highest balance, lowest payment, and highest payment first. Annual percentage rate saves you the most money, and we're going to stick with annual percentage rate for the rest of this series. Well, that explains the 4 separate payment plan options that are available within Zilch Standard. Thanks for watching.